Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Where are you on the A? Oh, can you wait till I introduce you? Just go off a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to introduce our next guest, and it'd be a big surprise to you all. I haven't quite finished yet. Ladies and gentlemen, this man has been made several appearances here, just only recently, and here he is once again, one of the great performers of our time, Brad McLean. There he is.
I was over at the camp this morning and I was running a bit late and the bloke says to me, I'm leaning on my car at the old ute there, and you know when you're leaning on a car or anywhere near a car, someone thinks you know a lot about cars. The guy goes, no, it's about cars, mate. I go, yeah. As he was non-specific. I know they got wheels and I know you drive them and all that. He goes, she won't run in the morning, what do you reckon I should do? Start at lunchtime? We're lucky to be here at the muster. It's fantastic for another year, and the sights and the smells and everything else like that. It's just unbelievable waking up in the animal forest with the whip cracking and the bellbirds and bellin and long drops. Been here for a little while now. I've got a little bit of a system going where I wear earplugs and I can sleep through the whip cracking, and then I can go down the long drop and shove them up my nose and listen to the bellbirds.